All right, so what I want to show you here is we have an island. It's a 12-foot grill island, so this is longer than our standard lengths. So what we're doing is we're actually attaching two pieces or two panels together to create a longer than 7-foot island. So how we're going to do that is you're going to notice when on the back side of the panels is there's going to be alignment channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take additional alignment channels that come inside the crates with the panels. So I'm going to basically put that over a top of the two alignment channels that are embedded into the concrete panels. And I'm just going to simply take these self-tapping screws and bolt it together so that it will essentially scab these pieces together so that it will create one continuous piece. One important little note is how the alignment channels actually go onto the on top of these alignment channels that are embedded. So, a lot of people try to put the alignment channel over these, existing channels. You don't want to do that. You want to just basically simply just put the alignment channel right over, and then I'm going to use the self-tapping screws and screw it right into the alignment channels that are inside the panels. So you'll notice here in the front, there's no seam at all. And I'm going to walk you through how we basically eliminate the seam on the front, just because most people, they spend the most amount of the time in front of their grill island. They don't want to look at an ugly seam. So essentially what you're seeing here is you're seeing two different panels that are split up into two sections. So we have the right side, that's one panel, and then on the left-hand side, that's a second panel. We eliminate the seam because of this refrigerator here. So by incorporating a refrigerator kind of in the, not exactly the middle, but towards the middle of the design, we're able to break those panels up into two sections. And since the refrigerator sits right below this countertop, it eliminates the seam altogether. Let me take you to the back and I can show you what it looks like in two sections. All right, so we're in the back of the island here. I'm gonna start with the countertop. Again, it's made in two pieces, so you'll notice there's a seam right here. And we do this very strategically. Typically we want to put this right behind the grill. So when you're in front of the island, it's really not even going to be noticeable at all. Moving down, you'll see we have the seam on the base of the island here. Again, it goes together pretty tight. And since a lot of people aren't really looking at the back of their islands too much, it's really a good way and a strategic way to design this so we can extend the length of your island.